Welcome to Smoky Mountain Taco. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and hit that notification bell. It really helps out the channel. Today we're going to be cleaning out our throttle body. What does a throttle body do? Well, it brings airflow into the engine from the intake. What happens if you have a dirty one? And it can build up over time. You'll have rough idling, sluggishness. It could cause a check engine light to come on. Sluggish acceleration, stalling, that sort of thing. So it's important to keep it clean. So that's what we're going to do today, and let's get busy. So to clean a throttle body, you need to go down your dealership and get some throttle plate cleaner, or you can go to an auto parts store and get some throttle body and air intake cleaner. Either one, it really doesn't matter, and this will be more than enough. Simply just spray this on a rag and we'll clean it out. So be careful and treat your throttle body like a baby. Alright, let's remove the cold air intake. Needs to be 10mm sockets. Recommend an electric ratchet here. Makes it a little easier getting done quicker. But you don't have to remove the cold air intake completely, but I am in this case. Now let's remove the air filter cover, and then we'll remove that MAF sensor connector. Pull up, pull out of the throttle body. Then we'll remove some of these clips holding some of these connectors and hoses on. That hose is removed. Alright, we got a connector back here we can just plug out back there. Pull out. Now it's removed. Alright, now let's talk about this throttle body. So you want to treat it like a baby. Don't stick a screwdriver down in it. Don't open it up fast. Just do it slow, just like that. Slowly. Alright, we're going to clean the bottom, so we'll just spray some cleaner on the rag and just clean it out until it's clean. So we'll start on the bottom and just keep going at it. So you can see the dirt coming off of it. And we'll just keep cleaning until it's all gone. So you may notice after cleaning it that it may idle a little higher, but that's normal. Just give it a few days. Alright, let's clean the top. Same process, just clean it till it's gone. And this is about as good of an angle as I could get on cleaning it. Yeah, look at all that dirt. Yeah, that looks pretty clean. Let's get this bottom again. Alright, all done. Let's reattach the intake. Put that on the throttle body. Let's reconnect that. Reconnect the hoses. Secure that down. The 10mm bolts. Secure the air filter cover there. Let's put the engine cover back on. All right, check this out. All nice and clean. Look at that.